right, guys, here we go. This is going to be Chronology. Chronology 5-box break number 13. Rolling through the team owners. Stuff's getting spendy. Let's roll through it. We got Anaheim going to the Beef. AZ going to the Haas. Boston going to JJ. Buff going to L. Flames going to Zack Attack. Canes going to Riley. O'Reilly Auto Parts. And we got Chicago going to L. Avalanche Major. CBJ Cell. Dallas JJ. Detroit Matt K. Edmonton Matt K. Florida Paulie. Kings Haas. Mini Blaze. MTL Brain Damage. Nash, Craig P. Devs, Joey, Isles, Zack Attack, Range. Nikki C. from Staten Island. Ottawa Mad C. Fly L. Pitt Kostler. Shark Cell. Blues Riley. TB going to Haas. Toronto going to Tarzan. Canucks going to Major. Vegas going to Cell. Capitals going to Nate Doggy Dog. Winnipeg going to the one and only Cell as well. The closer. Always be closing. AKA Cell. Boy, with Cell, I feel bad for Cell. I mean, I feel bad kind of and not feel bad. But, man, dude, Cellness, man, his dad and his parents were like, listen to Zig Ziglar right now. He'd be like, Mom and Dad, I got homework. He goes, that is your homework. It's like, all right, I'm sorry. He'd be like, did you read Think and Grow Rich? He's like, I'm like halfway through it. We gave it to you early this morning. You should be done by now. Man, Cell went through a lot. But it's been passed down generation to generation. Oh, wait a minute. Do I need sleeves? I forgot. Do you need card sleeves for this stuff? I forgot if you need those kind of things. Beef crashed out. All right, let's do it. Good luck, everybody. All right, we got the Nuge. 222. It's just base. It's just base. And we got a Rangers auto. Ed Jackaman. Jacking it up. For the Range. Pretty sick looking card. Go old guys all the way. I like it. It looks cool. Oh, that's pretty sick. We got Patrick Sundstrom. Ancestors were the first ones to start a type of lotion type gel to protect the body from certain rays and elements outside. And that is for the Couve. And we got a time capsule. That is a rip card. Quinn Hughes. For the Canucks. Quinny Bo Benny. Getting kind of finny. Every year it keeps getting more skinny. I don't think these rips fit in these. These fit in here? No, they don't. Okay, I'm gonna have to go in these. the Gila Monster. Morgan Riley, TOR 222. Good old Rye. It's a pretty cool card. I like this. It's pretty sick. We got a franchise finds. Number to 25. Ilya Mikheyev. That is dope looking. Wow, I like that. Nice on-card filth. Stupid sleeves. Number to 25. Nice patch auto. Pretty dope. Covenants of Truth. And we got an auto Nicholas Harmelson for CHI. And we got Letterman, number to 35, the Koosh for TB. Yeah, we haven't had Space Class in a while. It's time. We're overdue. Somebody's like, oh, great, you had to bring it up. Thanks a lot. Yeah, I know. I think he's a pretty good kid. All right, we got a base, 222, Johnny Gibson, Anaheim. ANH. And we got a patronage. Sick patronage auto. Border Fatty, Brendan Gallagher. Sick galley hit right there. That is dope. Nice hit for MTL. It's a great product. One day this stuff's going to be obsolete. Hard to find. You'll never be able to find it. If it is, it's like an arm and a leg. Dan Quinn, Penguins auto. I think it's already kind of getting to that point a little bit, but not extinct yet. And for the Kings, time capsule. Going to Hazy, rip card. Kopitar for the Kings. The Hosinator. Oh, yeah, they probably will have it on EPAC. Yeah, you're right. Physical product-wise, it'll probably be toast fairly soon, I would think. But, yeah, this should be an EPAC product for sure. Last year, it definitely was. Yeah, it'll go quick. And we got Kata hot. Welcome back, Kata, 222. And we got a retro. This is from 14-15, I believe. At least it should be. That's the year that this stuff was out. Looking killer. Cam Ward for the Canes. I used to love Masterpieces. No, it wasn't called Masterpieces, was it? Was it called Masterpieces? And we got an auto. Barrett Jackman for the Blues. His last name used to be Jackson. And then a very well-known automobile collector sued him. And he had to change the last name to Jackman instead of Jackson. We got a 1/100 patch for the Sharks. Eric Carlson For the Sharks to 100. Going to sell. I don't think Barrett Jackman, well, used to be Barrett Jackson. I don't think his ancestors really care about the automobile situation. They were going to get sued. They had no choice. I mean, they could have fought it in court, but... And we got 222 Clayton Keller. By the way, guys, if your kids need any tutoring, just let me know. If they need any tutoring on the side, just let me know. Oh, they're in good hands. Don't worry. I'll teach them. We do a Zoom video. We got Kyle Palmieri, number to 25, Letterman. Obviously, my forte is history and technology. There we go. Kyle Palmieri, auto and letter. And we got an autograph for the Fly, Bob Kelly for the Fly. I misplaced my certificate though, so I'm going to have to order a new one on that novelty cards. The university. We got Chronology, Letterman, Duncan Keith, number to 35 for the Blackhawks. Duncan Kieski. By the way, for those that weren't here earlier, guys, 30-box master case of Clear Cut tomorrow. 30-box master. All right. And the contest, the giveaways are next Saturday the 10th. Every team, every spot you get, for those that are via video or maybe just got in here, every team, every spot you get a ticket filled out. I've already got a bucket from people in the past. We're keeping the same bucket. We just keep adding to it. The people who do the memorabilia, they're sponsoring the giveaway, guys, every quarter. So be prepared. It's going to be dope. I heard it's going to be off the chain. So pretty excited about it. Saturday, the 10th, next weekend. So every spot, every filler, anything you get is a entry. Anyway, thank you for the chrono break. I appreciate it. I'll go get this stuff put away.